Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change your email address on Riot Mobile. First, open the web browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type account.riotgames.com and go to the Riot account page. Log in with your current email and password. Once you are in your account, look for the section called Personal Information. This is where you can manage details like your email and date of birth. Tap on the email field. Your current email will be displayed here. Erase it and type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure this email is active and that you can access its inbox. After typing your new address, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap on Save Changes or Save and Verify if that option appears. Now open the inbox for your new email address. Riot Games will send you a verification email. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Inside the email, tap the link or the button provided. This will confirm your new email address and link it to your Riot account. That is the full process of changing your email on Riot Mobile. Thanks for watching.